Khago come on ya. Meshak stay out of trouble, but you always do what you want. Thing me not argue. Any boy this determined, Meshak a put shot round. Meshak, oh the never yell.
Come to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed good morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and ladies. So I go out, big up yourself for all the love and blessings. So we say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to the horizon, give thanks to another day, you know. Life are the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today we there, tomorrow we gone. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up yourself, man. Everybody on the platform, big up. You know, Lion Foot, we keep it real on the back of field. And I'm here the man of pace. You see me? Yeah, man. We no boots war, we no push war, we no sponsor war, we no fun war. You see me? And when I deal nothing folly, the only war me I deal with right now, I'm Meshak and Khago. Musically. Yes, man. Khago saying psycho. Meshak say man, maniac. Viewers and subscribers, yeah, tell you. Yeah, tell you. Yo, yeah, man. You see me? Why me I tell you, Khago? When you answer? I know say you can answer, you know. I know say you're bad like that, you don't need no sponsor. Zine? Yes, man. I lyrics them dangerous like cancer. You see me? Right now I'm boot out and suit out. I mean, I wonder when you're going to see the shootout. Khago, Sky God, Rotten Egg, and Meshak, the maniac. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, them there I go up on it, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, I say, yo, I have a dream last night and it was very intriguing. You know what I know what? My dream is Arsenal win the league. Yeah, man. Yo, you tell us, yesterday my wife's birthday, I'm not getting no sex. I'm no vex. You wanna know why? Really be tired, I drop asleep. Yeah, man, you don't know. Big up wife upon her restaurant, you see me? Come over and cook some food for her and her family came over and thing, you know? Yeah, is it? You see me? So you go, man, I don't know, we give thanks to life. But yes, we see Meshak a troll Khago right now. We see Meshak go over Rick Storm and talk up a bugger thing. See? Big up Rick Storm, then we see her endorse the word too. People, it's like the people them take determined serious. Them not take Meshak serious. Them feel like I determined them to talk too. You see me? Well, right now, I have some exclusive, you know. You see me? From Meshak. You see me? So we know some Meshak brave, because me also want Meshak. You know, say Meshak, you sure you're up for this? Remember Cartel, remember Khago, go up the likes of, against the likes of Sizzla Kalanji, and them just same right off acting, you know. See? That's why the most of the masses are saying Khago win the war. See? Them say assassin a run, agents a squad run. See? Khago no fear no one. See? Meshak say, come like you don't know where you talk to Lion Foot. You see me? So we see Meshak a troll Khago right now. Meshak there all over the page right now. All over the net Meshak there right now. Flyers, Meshak come like him have all him graphic designer work with. Meshak have a team, him engineer. You see me? I know say Khago drop tune or 4 or 5 tune one time. Which I some feel like the man dominate acting, you know. He might drop 3, 4 tune. Cause acting, give acting him credit. Acting did a drop tune, full of metaphor and them thing there. See, but Khago drop 2, 3 tune one time for one answer. You see me? The only man I feel could have match up to Khago them weird there. And the world boss. Because I saw the world boss voice mile a minute too. You see me? Worse if they have studio, access to studio. Khago have him studio at his home. See? I will see Meshak, I do him thing, Meshak consistent. See? Yeah man, Meshak consistent. And when Meshak do Meshak, I knock him rhythm them. Meshak is building his rhythm. His self-reliance, self-balance, self-thought. You see me I say? Meshak I knock the rhythm them, that means say nobody can give no chat. Remix them. And I say, yes, Meshak, you do the right. I approach everything the right way, you know, Most I do something and I see it backfire. Some man I say, yo, I claim all them things and I want to tell you, say, you can't jump on them with them. So what Meshak do is I knock them back. You see me? And that is a good thing. Hey, Lion put up some bomb for drop, you know. Me just buy a tune for a producer, you know. Mad, you know. The man say, yo, I saw you're talented. Quick and fast. I send it across to give me engineer. You see me? Make him go get it master. Because right now I have my engineer where I have my sound, have my voice. With all of my songs them I get my good reaction from. Him voice them and record them. You see me? Yeah man. I say, what really I go on on the island? No rain, no fall. Morning, Jai, right?
You're right.
Yeah man, no rain, no fall. I just be a blood that shade. You see me? But yeah man, I don't know. I only love but Meshak, Khago, when you go answer star? Meshak a troll Khago, you know, watch what I go on. Watch what I go on. We all have also a song from Meshak. We're determined to talk to Meshak. You see me? Yes. I really sit man, I make one hear what I go on.
You know, long me a build my career. Me step without fear anytime when I wear. Enough people not like me to how you behave. Come to think of it, you me cut off me. Meshak, I make sure you them can this up send me every.
Hey yeah man, make sure on the down. Make sure, hey, make sure you share and like and subscribe and click the bell, you know. Yeah man, that's it. Yeah man, we keep it real on the back of field. So right now we're going to show you now. Determined and Meshak are raised because Meshak it's been questioned by Determined. See, and this is we're going to show you how talented Determined and Meshak is. So we don't know what's Determined. But the man got Grammy, Billboard. That's what I say. Yeah, but let's watch the creation, the creativity and thing. You see? Yes. And we have our next one where Bro God, Meshak reach out to Bro God. You see me? Yes, so I don't know how my viewers and subscribers, pick up on yourself. I was say give thanks to life. Stay out of trouble if you can, walk away. See? Yeah man, so watch Determined and Meshak. I look at visuals. Watch what I go. And the fans them, don't be biased. Don't be biased. We know some people that say underrate Meshak. See? People underrate Meshak. Don't take Meshak lightly. Meshak a maniac. See me? Yes, I don't take Meshak lightly. See it? You know Khago a bad artist. As me say, you want to see it go on and I want the musical war right now. Me want to see it, Rickstar want to see it, and many more people want to see it. See, so Khago, we know Khago soon. Khago head soon chipping, the egg soon cracking on the rotten egg, you know. Khago just started with him war, so I cool off and go and enjoy him victory. Khago drop 2 bad songs, you know, dear mama. Khago just a drop song like Rain Chops right now. Song I drop from Khago left, right and center. Just to show you how bad he is and consistently. Big up Khago differently, but you don't know. Khago Meshak, we want to see the war. Khago, where you are wait for star. See me? Right now Meshak ready. Like Jason and Freddy. Bust off her head like the Teddy. Yeah man. I like your foot, big up with yourself.
What everywhere you go, people, what we down for? Singing and see with them to Jesus from Nazareth. Every day my feel for sending another one against bad. Wrong against right. Ha! Me you knew what the least of these fucking beasts. Look what they did to Christ. It's just wrong against right. Dark against light. Enough of them pussy and a lie. You a long time them a give you a voice. Make me rise it.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.